Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install VS Code in Windows 11. If you're looking for how to install VS Code in Windows 10 or Mac, I have videos covering that as well. I will leave a link in the description below. This will be a pretty short video, so let's get started. First, let's open up our web browser. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome, but you may be using Microsoft Edge or Firefox. The easiest way to get to the download page is to search in Google for VS Code and just click download. I will leave a link directly to the download page in the description below. Now that we are on the download page, you should see a button that says Windows. Here we'll click it and the download should start. If you are using Microsoft Edge, then the download will be up here in the top right corner. If you are using Firefox, then the download will be in the top right corner as well. In Google Chrome, you can just click the downloader here in the bottom left corner. Once we run the installer, we will accept the license agreement, click next, 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 and here we can see that we have more options to choose from. Create an icon is pretty straightforward. It just adds an icon to run VS Code to your desktop. I typically don't want to clutter up my desktop with icons, so I'm going to leave that unchecked. Next, we have two open with code options. The first one for file context menus, and the second one for directory context menus. This allows you to find files or folders in File Explorer and then right-click them and choose Open with Code. This can be very helpful, so I always check both of these. Register Code as an editor for supported file types allows you to set VS Code to be the default editor when you open certain files. Add to Path sets everything up so that you can run the code command from PowerShell or the command prompt. Now we will click Next and Install. We'll go ahead and launch VS Code and click Finish. If Visual Studio Code opens for you, then congratulations, you're now ready to start using VS Code. If you found this content helpful, please like the video so that others can find it more easily. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you don't miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.